Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to change a thumbnail on YouTube Shorts. So all you have to do here is open your YouTube and then tap on the plus icon here, import the video from your gallery. So this is the video, so tap on next and as you can see it's now processing. Now I just want to remind you that adding thumbnail from your YouTube, you cannot just basically create your own thumbnail, rather select from any of the scene inside the video. Unlike any videos you want to upload on YouTube, not shorts, you can create or add thumbnail and create it using Canva or any other editing tool. When it comes to shorts, only YouTube can select that specific thumbnail that you can use here on your shorts. Usually it's in the first section of the video. As you can see, this is the thumbnail of your YouTube shorts. In order for you to change that one, well, you can change that using any other pictures. Rather, you can just change the part or the section of the video where you want to make it as your thumbnail for your shorts. If you want a specific picture for that or thumbnail, you must include that on your video or YouTube shorts. Let's just say if you want to add a picture or thumbnail to your YouTube shorts, you must include that part or area here on your video. So you can select that. So as you can see, that's how you change your YouTube thumbnail or YouTube shorts a thumbnail. You can just select from any of this section or part of the video or scene of the video, but you cannot add your own thumbnail here on your YouTube shorts. So I hope everything is clear. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.